Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In our previous episode, we explored the importance of steering wheel locks, and now, in part 2, we're diving into the specifics, types of steering wheel locks, proper installation, and additional security tips. Hit that subscribe button, fortify your vehicle's defense, and let's continue this empowering journey to safeguard your car with comprehensive security measures. Step-by-step installation guide. Choose the right position. Before anything else, adjust the steering wheel to its furthest position. Then, carefully slide the steering wheel lock onto the wheel. Position it so that it obstructs the wheel from moving freely, ensuring it fits snugly. 2. Secure the lock in place. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to lock the device into place. This step is crucial, as any slackness in the lock's attachment may compromise its effectiveness. Ensure a firm and secure fit around the steering wheel to prevent it from being easily dislodged. 3. Verify the installation. After securing the lock onto the steering wheel, give it a gentle tug to confirm that it's firmly in place. Any movement or looseness would warrant readjustment to ensure maximum security. Best practices for using steering wheel locks. Incorporate it into your routine. Make it a habit to use the steering wheel lock every time you leave your vehicle unattended, even for short periods. Consistency in its use bolsters its effectiveness as a theft deterrent. Use it in high-risk areas. When parking in unfamiliar or high-crime areas, deploying the steering wheel lock serves as an added layer of security. It acts as a visible deterrent to potential thieves, reducing the risk of your vehicle being targeted. Combine with other security measures. While steering wheel locks are valuable, they should be complemented by other security measures such as alarm systems and secure parking spaces for comprehensive protection. By following these installation and usage practices, you can maximize the effectiveness of your steering wheel lock in safeguarding your vehicle against theft. Remember, the proper installation and consistent use of this security device are key to its effectiveness. Additional vehicle security measures. When it comes to safeguarding your vehicle against theft, steering wheel locks are just one component of a comprehensive security setup. Integrating multiple security measures can significantly enhance your vehicle's protection. Comprehensive vehicle security systems. Combining steering wheel locks with other security components such as alarm systems, GPS tracking devices, and immobilizers creates a comprehensive defense against theft. Alarm systems are designed to detect unauthorized entry or attempts to start the vehicle, triggering a loud alarm to alert the owner and scare off potential thieves. GPS tracking devices provide real-time location information, assisting in vehicle recovery in the event of theft. Immobilizers, on the other hand, prevent the engine from starting without the correct key or transponder, effectively thwarting unauthorized attempts to drive the vehicle. When these systems work together, they provide layered protection, making it more difficult for thieves to bypass the security measures. Furthermore, the combination of these security features not only deters theft but also increases the chances of recovering the vehicle in the unfortunate event of a theft. Securing valuables inside the vehicle. In addition to external security measures, it's important to secure valuables and personal belongings inside the vehicle. Keeping items out of sight can reduce the temptation for theft. Storing valuable items in concealed compartments or utilizing in-car safes and lockboxes adds an extra layer of protection. In-car safes and lockboxes provide a secure storage solution for items such as electronic devices, wallets, and important documents. By keeping these items out of view, you minimize the risk of opportunistic theft. For larger items that cannot be easily concealed, consider using cargo covers or placing them in the trunk. By implementing these additional security measures, you not only reduce the likelihood of theft but also mitigate the potential loss of valuable possessions. Remember, a multi-layered approach to vehicle security is key in deterring theft and protecting both your vehicle and its contents. Conclusion: steering wheel locks are a practical and affordable theft deterrent that can significantly reduce the risk of car theft. The effectiveness of steering wheel locks as a proactive security measure cannot be overstated. By adding this simple yet powerful device to your vehicle, you are taking a proactive step toward protecting your valuable asset. Importance of proactive security measures. It's crucial to understand that vehicle theft is a real and prevalent threat. By prioritizing the safety of your vehicle through the use of steering wheel locks, you are actively deterring potential thieves and safeguarding your property. Proactive security measures, such as steering wheel locks, can make a substantial difference in mitigating the risk of car theft and ensuring peace of mind for vehicle owners. Prioritizing vehicle safety. As a responsible car owner, prioritizing the safety of your vehicle should be a top consideration. With the increasing sophistication of car theft methods, it's essential to take proactive steps to secure your vehicle. Steering wheel locks offer a tangible and effective solution that is within reach for all car owners, providing an additional layer of security that can prevent unauthorized access and deter theft attempts. Take action to safeguard your vehicle. In a world where vehicle theft is an unfortunate reality, it's essential to take proactive measures to safeguard your property. Steering wheel locks serve as a visible deterrent, signaling to potential thieves that your vehicle is well protected. By incorporating this simple yet powerful device into your security strategy, you are demonstrating a commitment to safeguarding your vehicle from theft and ensuring its continued protection. Empower your vehicle security. With the proliferation of car theft incidents, it's crucial to empower your vehicle's security with effective and accessible solutions. Steering wheel locks offer an affordable and practical means of enhancing the security of your vehicle, giving you the peace of mind that your valuable asset is well protected. By incorporating steering wheel locks into your security arsenal, you are taking proactive steps to deter theft and safeguard your vehicle. In conclusion, steering wheel locks are an invaluable tool in safeguarding your vehicle from theft. By prioritizing proactive security measures and integrating steering wheel locks into your security strategy, you are demonstrating a commitment to protecting your vehicle and deterring potential theft. As a practical and affordable theft deterrent, steering wheel locks play a pivotal role in enhancing the security of your vehicle and providing you with peace of mind. As we conclude our two-part series on securing your vehicle with steering wheel locks, we hope the detailed insights into types, installation, and additional security tips become valuable tools in your commitment to protecting your car. Until next time, drive safely and keep your wheels secure. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.